Alright, so I want to show you guys this positioning of this bad boy. I finally got everything hooked up for my ball mount. So I think we're gonna actually mount this flush in here, if you can see that, since it swivels, and that'll keep it out of the way. Alfie! Grab that. Fucking bastard chasing squirrels. Like he's gonna catch them. Get over here! Get over here!
He must think he is gonna.
You're never gonna catch them squirrels, bud. It's never gonna happen. So, let's see here. Jesus. You could fucking hang the boat in this goddamn with these screws. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna let me mount my fish finder, and it's gonna let me move it around so I can see it while I'm driving. I can see it while I'm in the front of the boat. I can see it anywhere that I want to see it. So if you're buying a fish finder, you may want to do yourself a favor and go ahead and buy one of these brackets right away. We've piecemealed a lot of this boat together, just trying to keep it simple, but sometimes these accessories really make the difference in the boat. So that's the excuse I'm going with anyways. Telling my wife, Alfie, come here, bud. Hey, look, here comes the guy with the end loader. Tell him to fucking level that lot out quick. Alfie, come here. That is a fucking thing of beauty. Wow. Should have done that from the get-go. Alfie. So what are they doing? Just driving the town's end loader around looking for stuff to scoop with it? So, alright guys, we got this mounted in here. So as you can see, I have a nice swiveling arm. It's up higher so I can see it. I really like this thing. I'm gonna like this. This is gonna be awesome. I've got my rod holder mounted here. Step back a little bit and I can show you that thing. This thing is awesome. This is really a high-end model. It fits my bait caster I just got perfectly, the Fish Eagle 54. And yeah, so I got a couple more of those mounts. This is gonna really change things on the boat, give me a little bit more options as far as fishing is concerned. So that is awesome. So we got a couple more of these babies to mount. We're gonna put these all over the boat wherever we can. And Alfie, come here. And we're just gonna load this boat up with these things. So that's what we're gonna be working on. Alfie. I'm gonna give one more shout out. I got another accessory I want to show you guys here. This is the Measure and Release Fish Ruler by the M&R Products in Chesego City, Minnesota. So this is awesome. You're gonna want to make sure you have one of these on the boat too, because I mean, it doesn't do you a lot of good to catch a fish and then not measure it and then throw it back. And we're gonna throw some fish back, so we want to measure them. I didn't get a digital scale yet. We gotta find one. I gotta make sure that it's, you know, like legal and tournament stuff. But so for right now, things are looking pretty good here on the boat. So we're gonna put some other accessories on the boat here. We're gonna keep going on. We'll be back with you guys later.